Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Asian stock market ASX 200, KOSPI entertain traders despite Japanâ's holiday. ntvforex.com news ID BCA 4191 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. Asian stocks trade mixed amid risk reset, off in Japan. Stimulus hopes renew while virus woes and Sino-American tussle continue. MSCIâ's index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan seesaw near the highest in over 6 months. Markets in Asia seem to not miss Japanese traders as stocks in Australia and South Korea manage to keep the screens heated ahead of Mondayâ's European session. Additionally, shares from China and India also join the league of positive signs, but those from Hong Kong mark losses as we write. While portraying the mixed mood, MSCIâ's index of Asia-Pacific shares ex-Japan take rounds the last weekâ's top, also the highest since February by the press time. Although the coronavirus COVID-19 woes get stronger in Australia, with a record death toll of 300, upbeat China inflation data seems to have helped ASX 200 rise over 1.70% to 6,105. The same could be applied to South Korea's KOSPI, which gains 1.4% to 2,385 despite natural calamities hitting the Asian nation. Overall, the market sentiment stays mildly positive as U.S. President Donald Trump's recent executive orders pushed the opposition Democrats back to the discussion table for Phase 4 COVID-19 stimulus package. Though, Mr. Trump's sanctioning of Hong Kong leader Carrie Lam and White House's allegations that China is meddling into the U.S. presidential election are the headlines that keep challenging the risk tone. Talking about the data, China's July month Consumer Price Index CPI and Producer Price Index PPI renewed hopes that the Asian major is overcoming the pandemic's economic impacts. On the contrary, downbeat figures of New Zealand's business confidence and activity outlook trims the gains of NZX 50. Amid all these plays, S&P 500 futures rise 0.20% to 3,351 while the U.S. 10-year Treasury yields fail to portray any moves in the absence of Japanese traders. It's worth mentioning that the US dollar fails to keep Friday's gains, whereas crude oil rises over 0.50% as we write. Moving on, a light calendar keeps the market players on the lookout of risk catalysts for the fresh impetus. In doing so, virus headlines, stimulus update and the Sino-American tussle will be the key to follow. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.